to all of you. I am K. Palanivel, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Today, going to the subject transforms and partial differential equations for agriculture and food technology departments. Today, going to the case study topic Fourier series for demand forecasting in industry. This is the topic we have applied in Fourier series. Introduction. The role of demand forecasting has become increasingly important within business that have a maximization of customer service and the optimization of capital investment operating cost as their main objectives. Demand forecasting is also considered key to effective supply chain management and it plays a crucial role, especially in the long term, in identifying the direction of the business strategy. The forecast accuracy affects all levels. All levels. All levels of production system also, and the generation of production plans to the calculation of material requirements and consequently to supply chain management. An accurate forecast can lead to significant cost savings, reduced working capital in safety stocks, the strengthening of customer relationships, and increasing competitiveness. However, it is well known that accurate forecasts are extremely difficult to attain due to many factors, from macroeconomic changes and the unpredictability of markets to spatial effects. The complexity of this problem may push companies to purchase specific software such as forecasting decision support systems. However, as these are extremely expensive in most cases, companies choose to use simple statistical approaches such as implementing moving average or exponential smoothing heuristics on a common spreadsheet. As a consequence, these basic forecasts need to be reviewed in order to take into account exceptional circumstances or events that may not emerge from historical data. As a result, up to 80% of forecasts are adjusted, although experimental evidence from some authors suggest that judgmental adjustments to statistical forecasts are usually unnecessary. In the fashion industry, demand forecasting is particularly complex. Companies in this specific sector operate with a large variety of short life cycle products, deeply influenced by seasonal sales, promotional events, weather conditions, and advertising and marketing campaigns also, and the as well as the festivals and economic and the social factors. Moreover, the slow moving expensive products usually face an intermittent or lumpy demand, but at the some same time, as they are usually high margin items, self out of stock phenomena must be avoided at all costs. Thus, quick and effective supply chain management with flexible production schedules and appropriate inventory levels becomes critical for each keeping unit. Stock keeping unit. For this reason, the demand forecasting process needs to be timely and accurate. Thanks it's to capability in terms of decomposing a function into a sum of sinusoids or different frequencies, amplitude, and space. Fourier analysis can be used to effectively for seasonal sales forecasting. This is because the Fourier transform takes a time series and maps it into a frequency spectrum in the frequency domain. The discrete version of the Fourier transform can be quickly calculated using fast Fourier transform algorithms. Given the strong seasonal nature of the products that characterize the fashion sector and the simplicity of computing FFT on on popular spreadsheets such as Microsoft Excel, this paper aims to highlight how the Fourier method can be represent an easy and more effective forecasting method compared to other widespread alternatives normally used. For this purpose, a comparison between FFT and two other techniques based on moving average and exponential smoothing was carried out on a set of 4 years historical sales data in 60 million turnover, medium to large sized Italian fashion companies also operating in women's textile also and clothing sectors, which distributes over 2500 products to more than 200 shops. Next one, methodology. Methodology is this one is presents both the methodology and the step-by-step procedure used to apply FFT to historical time series to forecast sales in detail. In the next results, providing the effectiveness of the suggested approach are shown by analyzing a fashion company data. The whole analysis was performed on a common spreadsheet in order to prove that the accurate analysis exploiting advanced numerical computation techniques can be carried out without needing to use expensive software. Microsoft Excel software is able to compute FFT on a data vector. The FFT algorithm significantly reduces computational times compared to the standard Fourier transform, and specifically from O2O, although Microsoft Excel is not primarily conceived to perform such mathematical analysis, it's easy to quick to calculate and discrete Fourier transform and its inverse function on a data range. The tool's only constraint is that the number of input values must be a power of 2 up to the value of 4096. However, this should not present a limitation for this type of analysis. In this analysis, the FFT was used to perform spectral analysis on sales pattern in order to attain a frequency spectrum. This is because the Fourier transform can decompose a periodic series into a sum of sinusoidal functions, harmonic components also, specifically cosine functions in Microsoft Excel. The FFT fast Fourier transform returns complex number from which it is possible to extract information, frequency, amplitude and phase of n by 2 periodic waves that from the sales pattern where capital N is the total number of time periods of sales data, which is also the size of the sample, also the size of the sample. Next one, applying the Microsoft Excel in Fourier transforms or the Fourier series tool on n-sized data range in yields a n-sized range of complex numbers which contain information of components. This is because the second half of the series shows and conjugated values symmetrical with respect to the sun frequencies, which is f, where fc is the sampling frequencies also. The amplitude of the ith component can be calculated as the absolute value of ith complex number. The procedure to be applied to a historical time series is summarized below. Clearly, before performing the analysis, the items or products to be analyzed and the level of detail of the analysis must be chosen specifically. When dealing with fashion products and specifically with the more expensive women's clothing purses to accessories, it is often impossible to drill down the analysis to manage the volume of sales per product per day per shop due to the fact that at such level of detail the average values can be close to zero or statistically insignificant. Thus, data is unusually analyzed using weekly. Next example of periodograms generated from different signals also given the different signals and examples are given this one. The Fourier analysis is employed as follows. First one, they extract the historical series of data related to the item to be analyzed over a significant time interval. Example 4 years, 3 years also. Divide the data into two subsets, a calibration data set, two subsets in the calibration data sets, and which allows the quality of the results to be analyzed. The calibration set should be composed of n values. For example, Excel capital N needs to be a power of 2. Calculate a linear trend of the series of the calibration set and subtract it from the data series. Fourth one, the calculate the linear trend of the series of the calibration set and subtract it from the data series also. Next one, calculate the FFT of the detrended data. Excel for Fourier analysis tool gives a range of complex numbers. Next one, create the frequency spectrum by calculating for each of the first n by 2 components their amplitude and space. Except f naught order to the f1, f2, etc. fn by 2 components in a decreasing order of amplitude. Next one, perform the inverse Fourier transform n by 2 times or sum of the wave components taking into account of each of the n by 2 components progressively starting from f0 up to the n by 2th. Reapply the eliminated trend calculated in step 3 to each of the n by 2 inverse Fourier transform. Compare the validation dataset with each of the n by 2 inverse Fourier transform, calculating the forecast error with the preferred methods also. Final one, choose the most appropriate number of wave components to consider in order to minimize the error. This is the procedure to attain the accurate forecast through Fourier analysis is employed of the results. We can see this one. Next one, application of fashion products. The application of fashion products, this section presents the application of Fourier analysis to calculate the sales forecast for a medium to large sized Italian fashion company also. Okay, the application of fashion products is the section presents the application of Fourier analysis to calculate the sales forecast for a medium to large sized Italian fashion company operating in the women's textile, apparel and clothing sectors. Several product categories were analyzed and as a result, the application of the proposed method generally yielded for accurate forecast in comparison with two of the most commonly used approaches based on moving average and exponential smoothing. Two examples are presented here: the trolley subcategory and the belt subcategory. The Fourier analysis applied to the historical series of the farmer returned a much more precise forecast, while with a later the forecasting error was comparable with that obtained with the other two approaches. In all cases, the historical series included the Calabrian data, calibration data sheet and the validation data set with the moving average and exponential smoothing techniques. The traditional approaches were used to calculate weekly ratios using three periods of historical data. The forecast parameter in the exponential smoothing chosen in a different way in each case by using the one that returned the best results in the Fourier analysis. Since the input range must be a power of to the calibration set was reduced to the period from this one, while the Fourier analysis operated within a smaller historical data range. The forecast turned out to be more accurate, as may be seen in the following cases: the trolley subcategory and also the trolley subcategory. The calibration set of the trolley subcategory cells is shown in the below diagram, and also forecasting results comparison in the flow diagrams. Also, the starting from F naught of the other components in the spectrum were stored by decreasing amplitude according to step 6 in the mentioned procedure. The results is shown in the diagrams also. The n by 2 inverse Fourier transform can be calculated using different number of components as mentioned in step of the 7 of the procedure described. Next, the trend is applied to each of them and the results are compared with the validation sets also. Next, the above diagram shows the comparison between the forecast obtained using Fourier analysis, exponential smoothing, and moving average. Obviously, the Fourier forecast succeed in the following validation data pattern more effectively, while exponential smoothing and moving average techniques yielded more or less the same results. Specifically, it is clear that the huge peak that both the exponential smoothing and moving average techniques forecast for weeks, the high values recorded in the same period of the previous season. On the contrary, the Fourier analysis forecast trends to confirm only those increments that are recorded cyclically. These results are confirmed by the numerical comparison, where the Fourier analysis is shown to yield a much smaller error, both in terms of map and mat. The exponential smoothing alpha parameter was set in the best values. Also, best values is clear that the example the forecast gave more accurate results are given in the figure. The smallest error is recorded. The validation data set are more accurately results attained with the moving average and the trolley cases. The difference between the results obtained in the trolley and the belt case originate from the specific patterns of their historical time series, as may be seen comparing the subcategory historical sales. Such a much clearer cyclic pattern with periodic peaks repeating over time, gradually decreasing in value in the belt subcategory, both the moving systems also. Finally, we are going to the conclusion part. Conclusion: the accurate forecasts are extremely difficult to attain. As a result, large sized companies may be pushed to purchase expensive forecasting software, whilst small and medium sized enterprises generally choose to use simple statistical approach on common spreadsheets. However, the common spreadsheets do not support only basic techniques. For instance, the forecast Fourier transform which has been widely used and applied in many fields ranging from physics, seismology, engineering, and economics, allows certain limitations present in other techniques in capturing seasonality phenomena to be overcome. Therefore, thanks to its the capability in terms of decomposing a function into the sum of sinusoids of different frequencies, amplitude, and phase. Fourier analysis has been used to forecasting changes in electricity demand and or prices. However, it seems to be only rarely applied in consumer goods sales forecasting, and no contributions seems to be present in the literature for forecasting consumer goods sales, specifically in the fashion industry. In this paper, a comparison between the FFT analysis in Microsoft Excel and techniques, another two techniques also. in this case study, in this case study was carried out the data, carried out a set of uh, some years historical data sales data are given in the upper clothing sectors, and which the distributes of over 2500 products to more than 200 shops. The results show how Fourier analysis represents a valid alternative forecasting techniques among those that can be easily implemented on a common spreadsheet. Clearly, its effectiveness varies with the sales pattern characteristics. For certain sets of historical data, the suggested approach can attain much more accurate results compared to other simple historicals. There the data also is characteristic certain sets component other simple historical data also. The fashion company operating in the women's textiles apparel distributes over 200, 500, 2500 products also. However, in this study to approach was intentionally described in its simplest form in order to provide a solid foundation of work for researchers and practitioners. Thank you. Thank you to all. Thank you to the watching to all. Guys, thank you. Thank you so much.